Good morning, internets. Joined us on a very exciting morning here at Moorland Rovers. Probably the most exciting morning we've had in a long time. Just taking delivery of our new spray booth from Rowley Spray Booths. Coming on this beautiful lorry this morning, and it's getting installed inside our new paint room. If you follow us in, we'll have a quick look. So last week we took delivery of the paint mixing room and the gun sort of cleaning station. So that all's gone in, and then the final bits of installation will take place this week. And then over the next few days, the paint booth will be being installed in this area. We've got a few constraints to work around, so we've got a custom design being made up by the guys at Rowley, so really excited about that. And then hopefully this time next week, we should have fully operational paint booth ready to rock and roll. So we'll capture lots of footage as this goes in, and we'll stitch it into the rest of the video, and we'll see you in a little bit.
My name's Adam, I work for Rowley Spray Booths. I'm here to install a new spray booth. We've come down from Cannock, Staffordshire to install the spray booth today. The truck came at 8 o'clock this morning, it took us about 2 hours to unload. It's going to take about 5 days to install our Maxi spray booth.
My name is Andrew Stevens. My company's WE Stevens, and we deliver spray booths for Rowley. Rowley are based in Cannock, and we're based just round the corner in Norton Keynes. You might know Norton Keynes because there's a service station on the toll road. So it's about 210 miles door to door. I came down last night, had the night here, unloaded this morning, and now I'm back to the Midlands empty to pick up a load of biscuits which are going out to Norwich. So I'll be in Norwich tonight. Yeah, we work for Rowley quite a bit, and it's a nice group of lads, and it's good work, we enjoy it. Something a bit different to what we normally do. We're normally running into RDCs, and it's nice to do something a little bit different. WE Stevens Haulage, and we're based in Norton Keynes Staffs, and we move just about everything and anything.
Good morning, welcome to day 2 of the paint booth installation. So yesterday, got everything loaded off the lorry, started moving it in. These massive fans brought in yesterday, all the panels, the flooring system. And then the 2 guys from Rowley started setting out the base frame for it. And then over yesterday afternoon, just started this morning, started setting the walls up for what will be the paint booth. So booth is made out of these modular panels. They're roughly 3.7 meters tall by just over 1 meter wide. They're all fully insulated so that you can maintain good temperature in the booth. The booth we've got comes with the gas heating system as well, so we can fully bake off and cure the paint quickly. Makes for a better finish and quicker turnaround time on the paint jobs. So these are the 2 extraction units that are going to be mounted on the roof of the booth. So we're trying to make sure we keep as much floor space as possible in here. So we've gone for complete roof mounted extraction. These are 2 massive big fans. I can't remember exactly how much air they're going to suck out of the booth, but it's a lot. Like I say, they'll be up on the top and then vented out the back of the building. Look at the size of all these extractors. So these are the grids that will be going on the floor in the bottom of the booth. Super heavy duty galvanized, so we can roll a full vehicle in if we need to. Gridded system so that we've got complete downdraft, should minimize the overspray, make the quality of the paint jobs as good as possible. So I know I mentioned earlier that last week the team from Rowley were here installing the mixing room, so let's go and have a little quick look at that. So you join us now inside the paint mixing room. This is roughly 6 meters by 2 meters, split up into 1/3 and 2/3. So this bigger area here is where we'll have our paint mixing scheme, so we can make all our in-house colours and do custom paint jobs. And then down the end will be where we're keeping all of the paint guns and the gun cleaning stations, so we can look after the equipment. All going to have nice LED lighting in it, all extracted, so it's nice and compliant and safe for everybody. And just going to be a really neat and tidy way of looking after all of our paint equipment.
I'm Grant from Moorland Rovers, and I'm bringing you an update on our spray booth build. Okay, so as you can see, all of the walls are now up. The Downdraft harmonized floor system that is filtered is all installed and in. And on top, we have all the extractors have gone in and been installed. And yesterday, the electricians arrived and have started wiring it all up, which is really exciting because hopefully by next week, Wednesday, it'll all be up and running. These are our blowers that have gone in around the top here, and they're sending oxygen in. And then we have our light strips that are all the way down the side, so we've got some nice even lighting for spraying. Right, and on the outside here, we have our touchscreen panel, which gives us all of our smart features. From what I've heard from the guys is that this is a Maxi booth system, and it's got some really smart features. So it automates the oxygen levels going in, the heating and the gas elements at the top. And what that does, it syncs up with the sprayer inside and changes the levels and power of what's going on to make sure that we're being efficient with our electricity and gas, but we're also being super safe with the oxygen levels inside the booth. So the boys from Rowley have done a cracking job here. All that's left to do is get the doors on the front and the checker plated ramp out, and then we're all set and ready to go.
So you join us here on what's been a really busy couple of weeks getting the paint booth installed. We're 99% of the way now. It's really exciting to see it here. It's been a long time coming. So let's have a quick look around and see what everyone's been up to over the last couple of weeks. Let's have a little look inside. So yeah, join us on the inside of the booth here now. Over the last couple of weeks, the guys from Rowley have been getting everything dialed in. We've had the electricians on site getting us into our new electric supply, getting all the lights sorted, the control panel. Awful lot of electrics have gone into this. And then all the extractions have been finished on the roof of the paint booth, taken out the back of the building, all ready to rock and roll. And then the final bit of the jigsaw is the gas supply so that we can run all the ovens to bake the paint. 99% of that's in now. We're just waiting for final sign off and we'll be ready to rock and roll. So the paint team are super excited to get in here and start painting. It's going to make such a big difference being in a quality environment like this. Just simple things like having beautiful lighting, super bright, super crisp, where you can really see what you're doing. Obviously extraction is a massive part of that. Being downdraft with a full gridded floor should minimize overspray, minimize dust, make sure we can then lay the paint down as well as possible. And then things like the oven bake facility, meaning that we can flash the paint off really quickly, turn things around and actually get through the jobs at a bit of a better pace. So they're really, really excited, so am I, and can't wait to get going in here. So while we're waiting for final sign off on gas so we can really get cooking in here, Andy, one of our paint techs, has just started going around with this product. So this is called 3M Dirt Trap. This gets applied to the internal walls of the spray booth for two reasons: help keep any dust down and also to protect the walls from overspray so that you can keep, these big investment here, keep it in as good a condition as we possibly can. So hopefully tomorrow we'll get that finished off. Hopefully early next week we'll get sign off with the gas, and then the next time you see us in here we should be painting our first panels ready for Project Nashville. Right, so that's a wrap really on a video explaining what's gone on here and everything that's been involved in getting the paint booth finished. It's been an absolute pleasure working with the guys at Rowley. They've been brilliant to work with from the beginning all the way through to now. It's been quite a complex project working with the building and getting everything in to where it is today, and we're super stoked with how it's turned out. So hopefully in future videos now you'll see us in here working away, producing some beautiful paintwork for Land Rovers. So let us know what you think in the comments, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.